everyone, I'm Jamila.
And I'm Nandi.
Nandi is in 3rd grade and he enjoys dancing, jujitsu, and reading comic books. Today, my son and I will be showing you how to make delicious, kid-friendly apple cinnamon oat muffins.
This muffin recipe is so easy to make, even a kid like me can help.
Muffins make the perfect breakfast or snack, and they freeze easily too. Just microwave them for 45 seconds to thaw. Nandi, have you heard of My Plate?
No, what is that?
My Plate is a visual guide that can help us choose healthy foods and quantities. It's based on 5 food groups: protein, fruit, vegetables, grains, and dairy.
These muffins are made with oats. Is that grain?
Yes, oats are grains, and whole grains are a superfood for our bodies. Whole grains are full of fiber, B vitamins, and iron, which support a healthy diet. It also has apples, which is a part of the fruit group.
So let's get started.
First, we're going to wash our hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds.
We're singing the ABCs.
And dry our hands with a clean paper towel. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit while we prepare the muffin batter.
First, wash the apples under cool water before cutting them.
Then dice the apples into small pieces. You do not need to peel the apples for this recipe. Once the apples are diced, set them aside. In a mixing bowl, we will use a dry measuring cup to measure out the quick oats, flour, and packed brown sugar.
A dry measuring cup is like a giant spoon used for ingredients.
Use a butter knife to level off the top of the measuring cup. Then add cinnamon, baking powder, baking soda, and salt to the bowl. And now for Nandi's favorite part:
stirring all the ingredients together.
Then, in the same bowl, add applesauce, milk.
Here, use a liquid measuring cup. This looks like a cup with a handle on it.
And add an egg. Mix until combined, but make sure not to overmix. If you overmix it, this will cause too much gluten to form, causing it to become tough and dry.
Slowly stir in the diced apples.
It's time to place the cupcake liners into the tin.
Then we scoop the batter into the liner like it's ice cream.
The best way to scoop batter into the liner is with an ice cream scoop or a 1/4 measuring cup.
Now it's time to bake the muffins.
After 20 minutes, check if they're done by inserting a toothpick or a knife until it comes out clean. Keep baking if the batter remains on the toothpick or knife. Once it's done, let it cool in the pan for about 5 minutes.
Then it's time to finally eat.
And there you have it. Kid-friendly apple cinnamon oat muffins. The muffins can be stored in an airtight container for 3 days or in the fridge for a week. But if you freeze them, you can keep them for up to 3 months. The recipes for kid-friendly apple cinnamon oat muffins can be found online at lsuagcenter.com/buildahealthymeal or in the description box below. Follow us on Pinterest and Instagram for more healthy meal ideas. And these muffins are
kid tested
and mom approved. So come on, let's build a healthy meal.